Obdurate describes someone who is stubbornly refusing to change their opinion or course of action no matter how much you try persuading them. Imagine someone being determined but in a negative manner. It is the kind of stubbornness that irritates and infuriates people around you. The word loosely translates to the Hindi word ziddi. Obdurate primarily functions as an adjective. It does not naturally convert into a verb. It does have a noun form, obdurateness, and an adverb form, obdurately, but those are also rare. Let's have some examples now. He remained obdurate, refusing to alter his decision despite the public outcry. The obdurate old man wouldn't accept any help from his neighbors. The government was obdurate in its stance against negotiating with the protesters. His obdurateness in negotiations led to the breakdown of talks. She obdurately refused to concede the point during the debate. He obdurately resisted all attempts at resolution.
Vocabulary flex, Mr. Rishav in the mix. Wordsmith wizard got the class getting fixed. Dropping gems daily, filling notebooks thick. Classroom lit, knowledge sticking like bricks. Mr. Rishav.